Welcome. In this video, we will see DNSTracer information gathering tool called Linux. DNSTracer determines where a given domain server gets its information from and follows a chain of DNS servers back to the servers knows the data. The tool works by sending a specified name server a non-recursive request for the name. If the name server thus returns an authoritative answer for the name, the next server is queried. If it returns a non-authoritative answer for the name servers in the authority records will be queried. The program stops if all the name servers are queried. This tool objective is to map the target till you reach the root name servers. Let's see how it works. It sends the specified name server a non-recursive request for the name. Non-recursive means if the server knows it, it will return the data requested. If the name server doesn't know it, it will return the pointers to name server that are authoritative for the domain part in the name, or it will return the addresses of the root name servers. If the name server thus returns an authoritative answer for the name, the next server is queried. If it returns a non-authoritative answer for the name servers in authority records will be queried. The program stops if all the name servers are queried. Make sure the server you are querying doesn't do forwarding towards other servers, as DNSTracer is not able to detect this for you. It detects so-called name servers, which are name servers which has been told to have information about the criteria domain but don't have this information. Let's see something in practical. Let's open up terminal, DNSTracer, that is trace DNS queries to the source. Type DNSTracer. You can see that the basic syntax DNSTracer options host. DNSTracer tool options are -c disable local caching default enabled, -c enable negative caching default enabled, -o enable overview of received answers, and so on. Let's scan a domain and retry up to 3 times and display verbose output. Type DNSTracer -r3 -v hacking2.com. This command is used to see in verbose mode. You can see that tracing to hacking2.com via 192.168.154 and so maximum of 3 tries. You can see that it sends specified name server a non-recursive request and it will return DNS server information for hacking2.com. The same thing I tried for google.com, that is you can see while trying on the domain google.com, it sends specified name server a non-recursive request and it will return DNS server information for google.com. So that's it in this video on DNSTracer information gathering tool. Thank you for watching this video.